We all have heartbeats. That's the foundation.
And with that heartbeat, I will build a crowd out of nothing. It's just something that you feel. I don't utilize instruments in a traditional way.
It's about the potential within. With Intel inside, the processing power is strong enough for me to do what I imagine in my head I can do. As soon as I plug into my tablet, I'm taking off. I've become the instrument. There's always gonna be skepticism. It's like, he's just pushing buttons. But I got news for you.
This is not a toy.
I wanna engage. I wanna involve my audience.
I was put here to perform.
This is in my blood. My dad used to perform with the Contours. I remember my grandmother was like,
"Your daddy's on TV."
They had all these smooth moves, and they were all synchronized. It was about a love for the audience and giving them everything.
I didn't speak a lot when I was a kid.
But I was listening.
I want to do something that nobody else has done.